Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a picture with the camera food mode on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So first let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the camera app. And in here, you can see if you want to switch over to food mode, you need to tap on the more button down here and then tap on food. And that's it. So after that, you can point the camera at your food. You can also readjust this blur circle. So if you want to focus more on the food, you can increase or decrease this blur square, and then tap on the shoot button. And that's it. So you can see here the center of the food is in focus, and while the surrounding is blurred out. And that's how you can take a food shot on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Now at the top here there is a blur icon, so if you tap on it, it will remove the blur effect. There's also this button here, color temperature, and then you can change the color temperature to make it cooler or warmer. And here will allow you to change the ratio of the picture. And you can also zoom in or zoom out. By default it is set to 1x zoom, so you can zoom in or zoom out. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.